This is the shit that I'm talking about that everyone is driving me fucking insane, okay? Everyone acts like they know what the fuck is going on. And they're goddamn trying to tell me, the artiste, how to fucking do the job. Like I haven't done some shit before. We're fucking doing one project a month. This is our first project. After the following months, we have the next 12 months slated out for every project. So, you know, so we're just gonna do badass shit like always.
This isn't gonna be in there.
Alright, we're starting to fucking get this shit fucking better than it was fucking yesterday. The fucking key to this fucking thing is to fucking buff it out and fucking make it look clear. Dude, can we have some fucking humor around here? Jesus Christ, it's so fucking dry, dude. Alright, I don't even know where I'm gonna start, but we're gonna start. Look at how shitty this looks. Oh my god. What did I get myself into, dude? I'm just gonna start from 800. I'm just gonna start from 800.
1,000.
Nah. Gonna start with 800, then we're gonna work our way to 1,000, and then 12 Hondi, 2 Thowie, 3 Thowie, 4. We don't even have 4,000. Where's our 4,000, boss? 3,000, that ain't gonna cut it. Well, would you look who it is? Wow.
I came for the brisket.
So when we acquired this aquarium off of Facebook Marketplace, you should have seen this thing. It was full of scratches and just blemishes everywhere. So we had to take on the daunting process of sanding this thing down, grit by grit, starting at about 600, I believe, when I initially started. This isn't even the first sand. We're gonna glaze this bitch. Put the lime in the coconut. Oh, that happens. Unless you want to run that compound in there. Right? That's the worst thing we could do. Kill everything. For the fish. It's horrible for the fish. I was just testing you. Alright. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I need a spray bottle. I need a spritzer. Slice my whole palm open like a fucking Dumas. Let's go. Let's mix our own. Let's do a mix our own. 5% Travis Scott. All right, this is what we're gonna do. Ciao. Should we read the instructions?
This part first.
Hold on, Rose. Let's get it flat.
Well, this is cool. All 10 students.
Alright, this is where we find out if our fucking valiant effort paid off. Or I can start bashing my head into the wall until it bleeds profusely and I lose all consciousness. Yeah, you can see it. Well, this is part of any fucking project, and look at what's happening. Now that this got wet, it's separating my fucking tint. We're gonna have to redo the tint. It looks like we're gonna have to redo everything. Except for the outside. Outside is excellent. Inside, not so much. Alright, back to the drawing board. Alright, here we go. Alright. We filled it up with water. We finished the outside just to come up to the fact of the matter that the inside needed a lot more work. So we're gonna buff it up by hand. You're supposed to put this in an inconspicuous area.
What are you using?
We're using the Novus.
Can you put it on this?
Fine Scratch Remover, 1999, Aquarium City. You can find it at your local retailer, Aquarium. Aquarius, Aquanautics store. All right, let's give it a test run. Let's see how she turns out.
Where'd you buy it from?
I already said Aquarium City, if you were listening. Hey, if you play it back, you'll understand.
Right.
Inconspicuous area. All right, we decided to change directions here. Instead of tinting because it didn't look that good, we're going paint. We're gonna make it sexy. We're gonna make it sexy. All right, here we go. gonna go get some substrate for the aquarium. Welcome to the aquarium city. Here, let me show you what the fish we're gonna put in.
You're telling me,
Look, we're gonna get these fish.
So chopped.
Probably 3 of them. Look at the price on that. Some expensive fish. Or we can go with the bigger ones, 3 for 300. Look at them, look at them.
Look at this one. Wow, they're all looking at it.
Look at.
Look at that.
Get from behind
Look at
it
that.
and you can't.
there might be, but I think we call it rainbow rock.
I like that one. That was nice.
Yeah.
All right, time to get back to the substrate. My man,
What's going on, bro?
how we doing?
Staying upright, how about you?
I'm breathing.
Take that picture.
We came here to get the supplies. We got the aquarium bumped out thanks to you with the right equipment. Where's your substrate?
How big is that aquarium again?
40 gallons?
Right on the other side of this aisle on the bottom left.
Okay, outstanding. This looks expensive. It's looking not cheap, boss. From what I could tell, it's made in Japan. I'm not sure. This looks like maybe this is either the.
Look at the cat. Yeah, give me one.
We're mixing this with the high-end stuff because we're way over budget. Now we got the high-end stuff, twice the price. A little different smell to her. Plenty. We'll mess around.
Wow. Who's weighing?
All right, looks like we're clear. I think we should rinse this off. Damn. Look at these plants, bro. That's some healthy ass plants.
Oh, look at those. Wow, look at those roots.
Would you look at that?
Wow. Take all of them out.
Oh, I can't see. Hold on, boss. We got our heater in. It's a big day. 82 to 85. think we should go all the way in the corner. Like such? Boom. That was simple install. I don't like the way it looks. I wish we could hide that. All right, we got the Fluval 407. This is rated for 150 to 100 US gallons, right? So should do the job. We'll see what's in the box. Bang. We got the filter. Looks brand new, doesn't it? The f. Give us some. This better not be some Amazon Fugaz right here. Probably hide the backwoods. Wait, not that it matters. Okay, installation and use. Fuck, this is a lot of reading. Should we just go to ChatGPT? Oh, you know what? We gotta take this out. I guess we should start there. Bang. All right, we're about to set up the filter in the tank. We got the Fluval 407. It's got a few layers of media for us to take a look at. Man, look at that. 4 layers of filtration. So we should be having us a crystal clear tank here soon. And another level. And the old push rod. We installed the gasket already, which is important so you don't want your filter leaking, right? I was watching some videos and seeing that these things leak sometimes if the gasket's not proper, which makes sense. All right, so we go ahead and put this on, put it back on, make sure it's on there good, boom, snaps in. And we're ready to rock and roll. So we already prepped the hoses just so we can make it easier for ourselves. We're gonna drop them in, run them to the back. This is our inlet. Son of a gun. I forgot to put on the damn suction cup here so it sticks to the back. And of course I just dropped it. That's how it goes. Now we gotta fish the damn thing out, put my hand all. Take 2, let's try this again. Oh wow, about did it again. There we go. Slide that Jimmy on there. All right, gonna have to move this. Let's position. That looks pretty good now.
I just hope it doesn't.
All right, now we're putting our return line. Make sure it gets in there. Make sure it's deep enough under the water. Let's go. Put that in there. Oh, I see now. See this? If you're ever doing a build, I highly recommend reading the instructions, unlike us. Well, we probably should hook up the hoses, don't you think? Whoa. You gotta prime this thing first before you put any, fire it up. You can hear the water. So we just got all the air out of the tank, filled it up, we primed it, now we're ready to fire it up. We got it on full blast, so I don't really know how much is gonna come out, but it might be a lot. It's always good to put your electrical right next to the water. I highly suggest. And
Check what leaks.
we're up and running. Do you hear that, baby?
No leaks.
Nope. Here we go. Look it. we have filtration. All right, so we just got back from Aquarium City a little bit ago. We picked up some new things. As per usual, as things always go with us, we got some CO2 set up. We're gonna hook up the regulator later. We got our drop checker ready to go. And we picked us up some coolie loaches to add for a little bit more life. Little algae eaters. And we're getting the biome set up properly before we get started and to introduce the main fish, which will be our discus. So stay tuned. And we swapped out our heater because our Amazon buy wasn't making the cut, and we got to get this temperature up to snuff before we get these discus in here because they're very temperamental. All right, we've had these bad boys in here for about 45 minutes. I'm pretty sure they're pretty acclimated at this point, so let's go ahead and introduce them into the tank and see how they do. Oh, there goes one. Oh, he said, oh. There they go. We got one straggler here, and he's fighting. He's fighting the stream here. Here we go. There he goes. Up. Come on, boy. And there. Now that we've got the aquarium set up, filtration is good to go, we are ready to go get our discus and introduce them to our new tank.
Yeah, I'm always telling people 2 to 3 months on the couch is okay.
Yeah.
Not unless you took the sponge out of one that was already ready. Then it's like quick.
It's like a cast iron pan. You gotta get a good season.
Yeah. It's all about the biological medium. That's it's like the engine of the car.
Yeah.
You take the engine away, it doesn't matter how nice the car is. The engine's not running good.
Right. That's the bluest one right there.
The one on the bottom or the one behind
No,
it?
the one in the back there. I think we're gonna do 4.
4.
Bad one. And I think
Pigeon. Who's number 3? Are you filming a documentary?
oh, we're gonna put it on YouTube. Now, it's for the moment we've been all waiting for, to introduce the main characters of the show. We got us 4 discus fish that we've been waiting to set this tank up for, and this is the exciting part. We've been acclimating them for about an hour and a half, so they're ready to meet their new home. And 1. Oh, would you look at that? Number 2. Number 3. And last but not least, old red. And number 4. All right. Oh, would you look at that already? That's awesome.
Yeah.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the video and the making of this Discus tank. Stay tuned for our next project where we're going to take this safe and turn it into a pimped out gun safe.